Hey traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing absolutely fine. The date is 25th of August 2020. Time is 12:35 in the afternoon. Okay, I am trading after 1 week. Okay, actually I was traveling, hence I could not trade. So this is our crude oil, and currently you can see that our crude it opened here, and then you can see this rally. Okay, this is a healthy rally. Okay, you can see that it's respecting this trend line. Okay, so let's see. You can see when volumes are pretty good. If you see, you can see that I haven't taken any trades yet. So as soon as I see an opportunity and I take a trade, I'll update you. Till then, stay tuned. Traders, the time is 1:37. Okay, and you can see this trend line has been broken. I've already made my entry. You can see my position. So you can see my I am under profit of around 300 rupees. Okay, you could see this breakout retested and falling. Okay, my ideal entry would be around 3175, but my entry was late due to high volatility. I could not capture it. Let me show you my trade book. So as you can see, I am on sell side at 3170. Okay, 130 candle. So my entry is at this candle. Okay, so 3170, and this is a pretty good entry, and my stop loss is at 3184. Okay, so above all these levels, you can see above all these levels my stop loss is at here, and my target is at 3149. Okay, based on risk reward ratio and based on these levels, my target is at 3149. Okay, you can see this is a good level, hence I have kept my target here. So let's see. Currently my risk reward, you can see it's at 1.5. Okay, so for every 1 rupee I risk, I will be getting reward of 1.5 rupees. Okay, so stay tuned. As soon as it gives some good moves, I'll update you. Traders, you can see that it's still in the same area. So what I will do is, once it crosses this level, okay, this seems like a good zone for me. Once it crosses this zone, that is 3163261, this zone, okay, you can see it has acted previously as resistance. Okay, so once it crosses, you can see that it also faced rejection from this point. So once it crosses this zone and stabilizes, then I'll start trailing my stop loss and reduce my risk. Okay, so stay tuned, I'll update you. Currently if you see, we are under profit of 300 rupees. Traders, so you can see it, one candle had made a low almost to 3162. Okay, and then you can see the sudden rejection. Okay, big wick. So let's see. Even volume was pretty good. So it has showed us that this zone, okay, that is from 3164 to 62, this is a strong zone. Okay, once it breaks this zone, then we can expect it to hit our target. So let's see. Currently I'm not trailing my stop loss. As soon as it breaks this level, that is 3162 level, then I'll start trailing my stop loss. Okay, so stay tuned. Currently if you see, I'm under profit of 200 rupees. Traders, so you can see this is its third attempt to break this. Okay, this was first, second, and now this is the third attempt to break this zone. So let's see. Once it breaks this zone and kind of stabilizes, then I will start trailing my stop loss. Currently if you see, my risk is around 14 points. Okay, So let's see. Currently, if you see, I'm under profit of 700 rupees. Let's hope for the best. Stay tuned, I'll update you. Traders, you can see it's playing around in the same area, okay, not yet broken this level. And currently I also see that it's respecting this trend line here, okay. Can clearly see that it's respecting this trend line. So let's see. Okay, it's also giving a breakout now. Then you can see the volumes have decreased, okay, dried up volumes. The volumes are really less. So let's see. 14 points is totally in our pocket size, okay, so no issues. Stay tuned, I'll update you. And traders, many people ask me regarding the broker I use, okay. I personally have many broker accounts because in this trading you cannot rely on one broker completely, okay. So it's really mandatory that you need to have at least 2 to 3 broker accounts, different accounts, okay. So I personally use Asta Trade for commodity trading, that is crude oil, because the margin that Asta Trade requires for crude oil is really less, okay. The margin is the amount that you need to have in your account to trade. So for crude oil usually it's around 8 to 10,000, but now Asta Trade is providing margin at 5,000, okay, which is really great. But as you know that leverage is a double-sided sword. It has many benefits, also it has many harms. Make sure that you use the benefits well. And if you want to open account in Asta Trade and use the same plan which I have used, please use the link in the description given below. So currently if you see, it's trying to break this trend line, okay. So let's see. You can see that volumes are really less, so that's a good thing, okay. So this might be a trap, okay, but I don't know. I'm not trailing my stop loss for now. Only when it breaks this zone, then I'll start trailing my stop loss. So stay tuned, I'll update you. Traders, you can see that it has broke out, okay, and then okay, retraced back, and then you can see it continuing. So let's see. Even if it takes our stop loss, it's fine. We will patiently wait for either our stop loss or to target to get executed, okay. So let's see. Stay tuned. Traders, so you can see it has also made a high of 77, okay. Currently we are in a loss of 600 rupees. So let's see. If it breaks the high of the day, then there is a lot of chance that it's going to take our stop loss, okay. So let's see. Stay tuned, I'll update you. Traders, so you can see it has finally hit our stop loss, okay. Exactly, it made a high of 3184, which was our stop loss, and you can see some sort of rejection from here. Let's see. Now if it continues to go up from here, it means that our stop loss was at right position, or if it reverses back from this point, then it's an indication that I could have kept a better stop loss, okay, maybe another 2 points. So let's see. It's okay. So we have booked loss of 1400 for the day, which is my pocket size. If you found this video informative, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So see you in my next live trading video.